Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hand saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ZONA ultra-thin saw with mini miter box. If you're working on miniature projects or delicate materials up to 1/4 inch thick, the ZONA ultra-thin saw with mini miter box offers precision cutting at 45, 60, and 90-degree angles. The American-made tool features a high-speed steel blade with 32 teeth per inch and comes with a plastic molded miter box. While you'll appreciate the saw's ultra-thin kerf for detailed work, be aware that some users report issues with the miter box's shallow depth and saw handle durability. At just 4.2 ounces, it's lightweight and compact, making it ideal for model making and small-scale woodworking tasks. Moving on at number 4, we have the Mini Metal Miter Box and Saw Set. The Mini Metal Miter Box and Saw Set with replacement blades is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists who need precision cuts on small projects. You'll get a 6-inch extra fine cut hand saw, a 5.3-inch aluminum miter box, and 3 replacement hacksaw blades. The lightweight set weighs just 7.4 ounces and features slots for 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees angles. You can use it to cut wood, soft metal, plastic, rubber, bamboo, and gypsum board. While most users praise its effectiveness on trim and small projects, some note issues with blade stability. The set comes in a gift box, making it an appealing choice for young makers and crafters. At number 3, we have the STANLEY Hand Saw. Designed for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists, Stanley's 12-inch hand saw with miter box offers versatile cutting angles at 90, 45, and 22.5 degrees. The lightweight ABS plastic construction makes it portable while maintaining durability for light-duty tasks. You'll appreciate practical features like the convenient pencil pocket, easy release button for saw storage, and base holes for workbench mounting. The open interior design allows sawdust to fall through, simplifying cleanup. While it's ideal for soft woods, trim, and moldings, don't expect it to handle heavy-duty projects. The 13-tooth blade and comfortable plastic/rubber handle make precise cuts in smaller pieces achievable. At number 2, we have the Miter Box and Saw Set. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking versatile cutting solutions will appreciate this all-encompassing miter box and saw set. You'll get precise 45 degrees and 90 degrees angle cuts for baseboards, wall frames, and moldings using the 12-inch box paired with a 14-inch back saw. Built with high-impact polystyrene and stainless steel, the set's ergonomic handle combines ABS plastic and TPR for comfort. While it's lightweight at 11.2 ounces, you'll find it suitable for wood, gypsum board, and ceramic tiles. Though some users report durability concerns, the sharp blade and compact design make it practical for basic home projects. If you encounter issues, there's a 30-day return policy and dedicated customer support. And finally, at number 1, we have the CRAFTSMAN Miter Box. With its precise adjustability and sturdy metal construction, CRAFTSMAN's CMHT20800 Miter Box and Saw combo stands out as an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts tackling small woodworking and trim projects. You'll appreciate the 12-inch blade with 80 hardened teeth that can handle wood, plastic, and laminate materials. The work stop enables consistent, repetitive cuts, while the included clamps help secure your workpiece. Though you might need to mount it on a larger platform for better stability, this saw can manage larger pieces like 4 multiplied by 4 boards. Keep in mind that the angle adjustments may need occasional tweaking, and you'll want to reflect on using F-clamps for ideal piece security. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.